Hello, this lecture is for students of Russian language and all those who are interested in Russian language. I'm showing you here two negative adverbs which differ only in prefixes, не and ни. These are two negative prefixes which, if written separately, will also be two negative particles of Russian. For example, negative verbs in Russian will have this negative particle in front of the verb always separately written. Не, for example. Мы туда не пойдем. Не пойдем. We will not go there. Will not go. Не пойдем is written separately. It is the future tense of the prefixed everyday activity verb пойти, to go someplace. The upper word in this slide is некогда, with the vocal stress on the first syllable, некогда. As you see, I show vocal stresses here, not on the top of the stressed vowel, but I show it on the bottom of the stressed syllable. It is intentional. So those of you who are beginners do not have an idea that Russian has written accents ever. We do not have them. We use them exceptionally in literature texts when the confusion can exist, and for the fast reading correctly they would put a vocal stress written accent, sometimes very seldom, just for clarity. For the first word, некогда, there are two different meanings, and I translate them here into English, and I also give an example sentence for each meaning. The first sentence is некогда и я там жил. Некогда и я там жил. Sometime in the past I actually lived there. This is the translation. This conjunction и in Russian emphasizes here serves like actually, as a matter of fact, actually. It does not have here the meaning of addition. Некогда и я там жил. I used to live there in the past. The second example is мне сейчас некогда. Я это сделаю потом. Мне сейчас некогда. Я это сделаю потом. I do not have time now for this. I will do it after. So, некогда has the meaning here, I do not have time. I, which is personal pronoun, first person personal pronoun, is in the dative case, мне. So if you need another person, you will be using here personal pronouns in dative case. For example, ему некогда. He does not have time. Or ей некогда. She doesn't have time. I have here on this channel a lecture about the declension of Russian personal pronouns. If you ask me in the comments, I will place there the link to it so you could review that. The second adverb here, никогда, with a stress on the last syllable. Никогда has only one meaning, never. The example sentences are: никогда я тебя не попрошу ни о чем. Никогда я тебя не попрошу ни о чем. I will never ask you about anything. The meaning of ask here is to ask for a favor, with a prefix по, попросить. The second example. Мы никогда больше не увидимся. Мы никогда больше не увидимся. We will never see each other again. As you see by these two examples, we use in Russian language 2 and 3 negations in one sentence, while in other languages it is usually only one negation allowed. In the first sentence here, 3 negations. Никогда, never, не попрошу, I will not ask you, second negation, and ни о чем, about anything, the third negation. And in the second sentence we have 2 negations here. Никогда, never, and не увидимся, we will not see each other. Future tense of the negative form of the verb видеться, see each other. I hope you liked the lecture about некогда with its 2 meanings, sometime in the past and I do not have time. And the second word, никогда, which means never. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.